Then Band Baja Barat happened. Deepika, did you watch it when it released? What did you think of Ranveer? What is your first impression of Ranveer as an actor when you watched him?
I actually remember having this conversation with my then agent, who was a big fan of his work, having seen the promos and everything. And he said, that boy, Ranveer Singh, he's going to be a huge star. And I said, really? I am not so sure. I said it, I said it in a more polite way. I said...
No, you said it exactly like that. With that expression.
And I said, he's not my type.
Wow.
और आज मुझे देखो, हाँ?
किसी ने पूछा मुझे कि what do you think this boy in Band Baja Barat, what do you think? And I was like, he's so like too much energy. He's so like.
अगली बार जब मिले, I think करण जौहर की कोई बर्थडे पार्टी थी 4 सीजन्स में, तभी मैंने उनको देखा और जी डांस किया, बात तो नहीं की. हाँ जी, एक बार डांस.
I don't have that one person who I can call in the middle of the night, a girlfriend I'm saying, who will come home and where I can just cry and be and just vent. That I don't have within the city.
But this time I don't have the budget for Arjun Kapoor, and I definitely don't have the budget for Deepika Padukone. So it's just me. Last time Deepika was so happy. Then she cut it off. She was like, yeah, I don't feel that at all. I feel like I'm cutting off my own body part.
Okay, so I'm doing a very, very intensely emotional scene along with a very famous leading lady, and this scene is very, very demanding on the both of us. Me being me, I was like, okay, I can't do this. I left, took 5 minutes, cried, put my head in the leading lady's shoulders. She was like, कोई नहीं मुन्ना, कोई नहीं. कौन थी? छोड़ो यार.
You've got possibly the closest thing to a reigning superstar. Like amongst the women, it's not in question. You are the top superstar. To my mind, Ranveer is the closest thing to a male superstar at this time. Do you agree?
Absolutely. I do feel like he has some way to go. But I do feel like his performance in this film has catapulted him into that position in a very big way.
Interesting. So you've arrived. He's got some way to go.
I believe that.
What journey is left still?
I think, like I said, I think that's the equation that he and I share. That look, I've also had a heads up. I started a couple of years before him, but I think that's what I think he and I cherish the most, is the fact that we can be brutally honest with each other.
Deepika told India Today that you are yet to arrive as a superstar. She is already a superstar. Abhiman moment over there, something going on, or do you believe that? What do you have to say about that stage?
I unfortunately haven't seen Abhiman, so I don't know.
But still, about that stage.
That context, yeah, she's absolutely right. She is the #1 actress of Hindi cinema today. She's crossed over to working in English films as well. She has achieved so much, and I'm extremely proud of her.